Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import leads in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end. Follow these simple steps. Basically, if you want to import the leads, you will need just to go and use the import data wizard. Go to the setup. After that, we need just to search for imports in the quick find area. So I mistype it. We type import. We go to the data import wizard. After that, we will need just to launch the wizard. From here, we will find the leads as an object or as a choice. We click on add records if you want to create add new records. And from here, you can add some rules if you want to have. And also, you can assign all these rules. You can trigger flows if you would need, etc. etc. And here you can match your leads by either emails or their name so you can avoid duplicates. And also, you can assign new leads to the source. After that, you will need just to choose your data source, which would be a CSV, and you click on the CSV, you choose the file path where you have it, and after that, you will need just to mention if it is separated by tab or a comma, and then you will need just to click on next. After that, you will need just to click on done and start importing your data. Another way to do it is by using this Chrome extension, which is called the Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. Then you will need just to click on Data Import, and from here you will add Inserts, go to Action, Objects, and from here you can search for Lead and choose the lead, and you choose the format of your data, and you can paste it here. Then you run the inserts and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.